What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel where we talk about making money online. Today we have a crypto video for you. We're going to talk about relatively new project called Xmax. What are these guys about? What do these guys want to achieve? What do they want to solve? Let's talk about that now. What exactly is Xmax? Xmax is planning to build a user-friendly, high-performance blockchain system with the Galaxy multi-chain network structure. In simple terms, it operates using main chain plus multiple functional side chains while ensuring the high performance and scalability of the main chains. The main chain will only manage light transactions such as system contracts, account transactions, and many more, whereas all smart contracts and dApps will run completely on side chains. The super main chain of the Xmax system, one of the project's new concepts, has the following design. Supports a high number of extension chains. Each extension chain can exist as an independent economy, high performance interchain communication, Merkle tree node time sharing package system, plug and play functionality with a scalable structure. To support the superchain, Xmax will elect 2,100 global nodes. 21 nodes will be selected from each of 100 regions based on population. In the future, Xmax expects to dynamically allocate global node selection beyond regional boundaries. The Xmax project has received strong interest from top-tier investors and advisors. The first dApp in the Xmax ecosystem, the social media app 3am, has been published in the App Store. Many more partnerships and dApps will be coming on the Xmax ecosystem in the near future. This was just a quick overview of what these guys are about and how they want to structure the project. As we could read, they already have an app on App Store called 3am. Make sure you check it out. It's quite interesting. Let's move on to their website. So, xmax.com. I will leave these guys link in the description. On their website, you can download the white paper, have a look at it yourself, make sure you read it thoroughly. You can then judge the project. You can then make some assumptions as to what the project is planning for the future and what their goals are and what they're trying to achieve. So make sure you do that. Visit the website, download the white paper, make sure you give it a read. This image is helping us to visualize what we said earlier about the Xmax entertainment blockchain operating system being a layer, Xmax service chain, and also the Xmax third-party dApp ecology. So you can have a look at the diagram yourself. Xmax Ecosystem. So Xmax is a blockchain and developer ecosystem for building decentralized games and entertainment dApps. As you're probably aware, gaming industry and also apps industry on mobile devices have become a huge profitable sphere. So these guys are trying to introduce blockchain into that sphere to make things better, to make things more secure, and are doing it through this ecosystem. But they're not just limited to games. They have the game and entertainment dApp SDK, they've got APIs, smart contract and dApp templates, 3D game engine, developer docs, and education. So because of these, it's easier for developers to make games, make apps on their platform. So let's talk about their features. One of the features is functional sidechains. We talked about that a little bit earlier. Scalable asset tokens. Using scalable asset tokens, you can model the complex operations required for entertainment dApps by tokenizing real-world objects or digital items such as an epic mount or treasure chest. Your company will allow the independent ownership of digital items. Asset tokens can be traded among users and used to facilitate business partnerships. Developer SDK. Xmax is an all-in-one ecosystem for entertainment developers. We provide an SDK, Xmax Studio, APIs, libraries, a 3D game engine, JavaScript-based smart contract templates, a dApp store, and education resources. Our mission is to help developers build the future of blockchain applications. As we said earlier, these guys are helping the developers using those features to help them make those games, apps in the industry. So these are the developer tools which will help the developers create on their platform. Xmax Studio SDK, we talked about that a little bit. Open development cycle. If you decide you would like to involve your user community while your project is being developed, We will provide a voting system with the SDK which will allow your users to participate via voting. So developers can engage the audience to make decisions. Smart contract templates. Even experienced blockchain developers can make mistakes while programming smart contracts. Our dev team has worked hard to complete WebX.js, a JavaScript-based language, so you can use our smart contract templates to easily program the logic of your decentralized applications. So these are the templates that help the developers make the applications, which obviously sorts out many issues when creating those apps. 3D game engine. Custom blockchain game engine will support 2D, 3D, HTML5 development. This engine simplifies the process of integrating blockchain logic into an online game. So they've got their own game engine, modules and APIs. We provide a user account system, a wallet which supports ERC721, type asset tokens, and growing collection of integrations you can use to create your own dApps. Flexible node architecture. Choose your own consensus mechanism for sidechain functions. Support service nodes on Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. A variety of operating systems are supported. Virtual machines. We support LLVM, EVM, WASM, and other virtual machines to run smart contract logic on the Xmax blockchain. Educational resources. Learn to program blockchain apps with our easy-to-follow educational course and videos. We create developer-friendly documentation for each Xmax tool and believe education and community are the foundations of a great ecosystem. So these guys have also introduced educational videos and guides on how to create and develop games, apps on their platform, which will definitely help the developers to create even better products. The team involves the CEO, who was over 10 years, has managed investment funds and actively participated in the development of entertainment industry enterprise projects such as Uber and Changpa. Uber, as we know, is a huge company, is a multi-billion company which is just known by everyone right now. So this person, Ye Cheng, was involved in the industry. He was involved in such a project. He's got great history of managing and being involved in huge projects, so that's why he feels confident he can make a huge success out of this. They've got a list of advisors and enterprise partners. It's a huge list. Make sure you check it out. Have a look yourself at what these guys are about. It's a huge list. And also institutional investors. This list is even bigger. Many investors are involved in this project. T-Found is the one I know. A-Chain Foundation. You've got B-Chat Foundation, D-Fund. Many different funds. So make sure you check them out just to see if this project suits your needs of being able to invest. If you're happy with it, go ahead. I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your reading, make sure you download the white paper, get a feel for the project because it's a new project, but their goal is huge. They're in an industry which is very profitable. Games, apps on mobile devices is a huge thing. If you go on a train, if you go on a bus, if you go anywhere in the city, everyone's on their phone, everyone's using an app to do anything. Everything is made on apps to simplify the end user's life. So that's why these guys have a great potential in making this a success. On the bottom of the page, you've got their Twitter, Facebook, and Telegram. Make sure you check them out. They've also got a blog. So I will link the website below in the description area. I will also link the white paper if you want to have a read. Let me know what you think of this project. Let me know if you think apps and games are here to stay. Are they a future of mobile interactions? If they are, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of the project as well. Is it something you are looking to invest in? If so, let me know again in the comment section below. Follow me on Twitter and make sure you subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the videos coming up about making money online. So let's create a community where we share information together. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.